Coventry-ish. With two T's.
Coventry.
I'll show you how it goes, then you know where you know what we're on with. It's like. C-O-V-E-N-T, you gotta try. 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 Oh, you stopped at the right place. I thought I was going to catch it out. We were driving down an alternate route to find a quick way home. We travelled right through the villages, across the towns and country roads, and we cruised along the A5 with an atlas close at hand, till we came across a roundabout. We had to choose which way to go. And I shouted, no, not that way, we should have turned up there. As he hit the brakes, the car spun everywhere. We hit upon the grass perch, the scream, oh God, not me. And the last thing I remember was the sign. C-O-V-E-N-T, you gotta try. C-O-V-E-N-T, you gotta try. Oh, you get cocky now. We sat and faced each other as the shock was kicking in, while 100 passing drivers tried to hide a grin. And the mobile phone was out of charge, though the one was broken, so we couldn't make a phone call to the green flag for a tour. And we're shouting, not again, the car's beyond repair. I promised myself last time I'd take care. As we sat upon the grass perch, he said, oh God, not me. And the last thing I remember was the sign. As the years they pass me by, I realise I've been living with the wrong intentions, and the roads I choose all come to an end. Signs I see are meant for me, and the accidents are caused to bring along prevention, to stop me from heading down the road to C-O-V-E-N-T, you gotta try. 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 Try reverse, the wheel spun in despair. As they dug in deep, the mud did fill the air. We were going nowhere, from this rut we had to leave. And we left in another direction from the sign. Alright, let me hear you. C-O-V-E-N-T, you gotta try. 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 C-O-V-E-N-T, empty, you gotta try.